Hello there, just going to quickly show you how to change the batteries in the remote controls. Every stairlift has two remote controls, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. If you find that the remote controls aren't working correctly, as in you're pressing it and the stairlift is stop starting, the first thing to check is the batteries. Now you do that by taking the back off. That reveals a 9-volt battery inside the back there. Basically take the battery out. We use professional Duracell batteries, so we always recommend an equivalent. A decent quality battery basically. Take the cover off that. Now you want to put the positive side in as you're looking at it. Positive side is on the left, and on the battery the positive side is the round bit, not the bit that looks like a crown. So put the round bit in on the left hand side, push that in, that's correct now. Click the back on and that's your battery's changed, ready to go. Press up, red light comes on, the stairlift now moves. Okay, so we've changed the batteries in the remote controls and we're still finding that the signal is weak and the stairlift isn't travelling consistently up and down the staircase. Basically the remotes have toggle switches, so the frequencies can be changed inside. So you basically take the back off and inside of there you'll see two white toggle switches inside a little blue case there. They need flick into a different configuration. Both remotes need to be the exact same, so as long as you change both switches on both remotes, that will be correct. Now once they've been changed, you have to then reprogram the remotes to the stairlift, and you have to do this sometimes if you change the batteries, if you lose power to the stairlift, or if you've had a new control board. It's very simple to do. Basically turn the seat and then you'll have an E5 code displayed. The key needs to be turned off so you get the E9 code, and then bottom safety edge you press in and press down on the remote control. You get 3 beeps, that just confirms that has now been changed. So now both remotes, after you turn the E9 switch back on, both remotes are now working correctly. Simple fix.